Remove the guesswork from planning your migration to AWS. TSO Logic's powerful platform ingests millions of real-time data points about your organization's environment, then provides accurate data-driven recommendations for right-sizing and right-costing workloads on AWS. Here is how TSO Logic can help you plan your migration with confidence and unlock significant cost savings. TSO Logic's platform communicates with data gathering and discovery tools that are common within most enterprises. Using the industry's most accurate data-driven algorithmic analysis, you can accelerate the planning process. Replace manual discovery and guesswork with real-time data and automation. We identify your compute, storage, and current cost of ownership. We then create a statistical model of capabilities, processor types, and utilization. Our algorithms select the best AWS instance, along with costs. Multiple scenarios for comparison can be created based on parameters you set, such as payment type and location. The platform then direct matches and right-sizes your workloads for AWS. By identifying your optimal instances, eliminate wasteful over-provisioning. And by leveraging the elasticity of AWS, you can save in excess of 30%. Your scenarios can create a multi-year business case, factoring in migration costs, discounts, and other assumptions. Then you can compare with your current costs to see the return on investment. Discover how TSO Logic can help plan and measure your migration to AWS with confidence and unlock significant cost savings.